Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley. This is another TS Tech Talks video. On today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to restore or to see deleted posts, videos and stories on your Instagram. So quick tip guys, this is actually a latest update on your Instagram. So before you have this particular feature, make sure your Instagram is already up to date. All right, let's dive into that. Now go ahead and click on your Instagram, and before I continue this also guys, make sure that a quick note: if you delete a message or a video or a photo, it doesn't actually display forever on this particular deleted post. So it actually has a period of time, either 30 days or sometimes 48 hours, depending on the particular post that you deleted. So it can stay longer and it can go away permanently, but just make sure that you actually view this message and decide to delete or restore them back within 48 hours, because it doesn't actually stay there forever. Now let's dive into that. Click on your profile icon on the bottom right, and now click on the menu icon on the top right, and next click on your settings on the bottom area. You can notice where it says account, right? Go ahead and click on that. Now scroll down a little bit. You're going to notice where it says recent delete, right? Now go ahead and click on the recently deleted contents. Now I just deleted one right now, so it just showed 30 days. And if you notice on this top section, it says you can see this post, they will be permanently deleted after the number of days shown. After that you won't be able to restore them. Right now, if I click on this particular image and click on this menu icon, I'll be able to either delete permanently or restore this image. Now let me go ahead and show you guys from the beginning. Let me go ahead and delete any post or any featured from my Instagram. Now I'm going to click on this particular post right here. I'm going to click on this section, and now I'm going to delete this. And you can notice there is an option that says delete this post. You'll be able to restore this post from settings, account, blah 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 blah. Recently deleted within 30 days. After that, it will be permanently deleted. So it has a particular threshold. Now if you decide not to delete, you can go ahead and say don't delete, but I'm going to go ahead and delete this. Now it has deleted, right? Now click on your menu icon on the top right, and now click on the settings on the bottom. Now you notice where it says account, right? Go ahead and tap on that, and then you notice where it says recently deleted, right? Go ahead and click on that. Now you are going to see everything that I've deleted. Now if I want to restore all these deleted posts, all I need to do is click on them, tap on this menu icon on the top right, and then click restore, and then I'm going to go ahead and restore it. I'm going to do the same thing. Oh yeah, this is correct. Oh, this is actually a confirmation, so I'm going to go ahead and accept this, and it's going to send me a notification on my other phone number. So I just got the OTP from Facebook. Now I will have to enter my OTP. This OTP is usually not the same thing every time, so just go ahead and enter your OTP and then save it up, then wait for a while. So I've done this, and I'm going to go ahead and do this one also. Now tap the same thing and then restore, wait for it. So I'm going to do the same thing, because it seems this one did not restore, because it just confirmed and didn't update. So I'm done this, and I'm going to go back to my profile area, and now click on refresh, drag the top area. Now you notice my post has been back, this is also back, and this is also back. So that is all how to restore your recently deleted post on your Instagram. The same thing for stories and every other videos you have on your Instagram post. So if you guys find this video helpful, make sure you like the channel, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. See you on my next video. Peace.